I'm Jones. I'm here with Andy today, and we're here to get you guys prepared for the spring to take care of your lawn. So Andy, what's the step-by-step that people need to do?
Well, the first big step that most people think about is Crabgrass Preventer. Crabgrass is really difficult to kill once it gets started, so the easiest way to take care of it is to prevent it right off the start. The trick is it's a very short window. You have maybe 7 to 10 days where you can put this down, and it does need to be watered in unlike other fertilizers, so it is a little bit tricky, but it is the only way to prevent crabgrass.
When's crabgrass really start to pop up in the spring?
You'll start to see it probably after the first 2 weeks of warm weather.
Okay.
So we're getting very close to the time to put that down.
All right, Andy, what's the next step after the crabgrass preventer?
Next steps after Crabgrass Preventer, a lot of people like to put down grass seed, whether you're overseeding or doing a new lawn. We have the area's largest selection of grass seed brands. We have our own Farm and Home Supply brand. We have Scott's, we have Pennington, we have X-Seed, and we have everything from 3-pound bags all the way up to 50-pound bags. So whether you're just doing a little light overseeding or an entire new lawn, we have you covered there.
All right, and when we put the grass seed down, what's the next step? It's like watering. Of course, if it's not raining, you probably need to water, right?
Yeah, if it's not watering, really, you need to keep it covered with straw or something like that to help retain the moisture. Another thing the straw does is help keep the birds from picking out the seeds.
Yep.
But yeah, if it's not raining, you need to be watering that probably every day.